Today I installed a new garage door seal on my 16-foot garage door. It was a metal track, came in 5-foot sections, and then a piece of rubber. And if you can see the end, it just kind of folds in like that, slides in, and that's your seal. And over time, you can replace this seal. Now, my old track is here. The local hardware stores didn't have the correct size seal. That T shape there, it was just long from end to end. It was just too long. I mean, I could have sat there and tried to fight it and, got it in there. Start from the end and slide it down, but it was just too big. You can see the hole. Sorry, it's upside down, but so yeah, garage door seal.